in case I need it.
Good morning. Not only is it Saturday morning and those two are making paper airplanes, not only is it -26 today, but it's also the Yukon Quest start today. So we're getting ready.
Right. Now you're going to take this and you're going to fold this down the crease that you did before. Okay?
We're getting ready. We're going to eat breakfast, get dressed, and then we're going to head down to the Yukon Quest start. So I hope to see you there. Just make sure you dress really, really warm. The proctors again. We're supposed to be there by 10:30. I don't know if we can do this. And we have 43 miles till E. I hope we can make it. But we have no time to stop at the gas station now. So hopefully they hurry up so we can just go. Finally, $10:17.
Huh? That's full of clothes. I don't know.
And then you always say, I'm late.
Are you kidding me? You're 15 minutes late. I didn't want to overheat waiting ready. Good morning, guys. We're on our way to Fairbanks. This morning is the Yukon Quest start. It is a beautiful -25. Kerstin let a truck run out of gas almost. So we have like 2 miles to go. So prayerfully we actually make it to the race.
Out of the race. And never tell our husbands.
Don't tell that.
That we're almost running out of gas. Which way do you have to go?
Straight.
It's very cold. Look, all bundled up, ready to go.
That's right.
Are we ready? Lily,
yeah.
Where you at?
Yeah.
There you go.
Kate's definitely one of my favorite mushers out here today.
Craig Simmons there, so that's okay.
So enjoy your music, Kate. Circle and whatnot. So thank you to the straw, firewood.
So guys, just check this out. -25 and somebody is riding his bike. That's Alaskan tough.
They're taking off every 2 minutes, and it's been amazing seeing how excited the dogs are. You can hear them out in the background.
Yeah.
That is the excitement to be able to go.
Yes.
So there's another 10-second countdown until the next person goes. So
3, 2, 1.
Here comes the first one, Brody.
super cold. But look how beautiful it is. Wow. So we're on our way back and we are literally running out of fuel as we speak. We have 19 miles left. The gas station is right around the corner. Hopefully. Yeah. Almost there. We got this. We got this. But note to self, let's not do that ever again.
I told you.
It's too cold and too dangerous in Alaska to do that.
So what's your credit card number in case I need it?
999272.
So Kerstin is pumping gas right now and we are on our way to head to the boys to see what their droning experience was, and because they are at a different station on the Nodale area river, right?
It's Chena River.
Chena River, oops.
In the Nordale Flats.
In the Nordale Flats. So we're gonna see what they all got to see. Aber wir müssen ja auch ein bisschen Pulle haben. Sind die da drin? Die sind da drin. Hello. Where's my husband?
Normal. All right, now get out there and let me know when the next one comes down the trail.
Oh boy. All right, here we go. Stop. Und wie kommen wir wieder? Oh my goodness. Have you ever been dressed in your full winter outfit? Your full winter gear, and you walk through knee-deep snow up the hill. So remember how we went down on the river? We had to get up. So yeah, we're a little bit wore out. I cannot wait to go home. I cannot wait to drink a hot chocolate and to start working on this video for you guys. And working on the video.
My hat on, my earphones.